Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 of Sociology 101, Introduction to Sociology. I hope you all had a great 4th of July weekend and welcome you back from it. I want to let you know that the lecture quiz begins on the second video, so there are no quiz questions from this first video. This week's assignments include a response journal and a discussion board and a lecture and lecture quiz. I had mentioned that in our first week, I mentioned that I might be changing your discussion groups in week 4, but I took a look and the discussion groups are going really well, so I decided to keep them as they are. So you will be with the same people that you were with before. If this is a problem for you, please email me and I'll see what I can do. I also wanted to let you know that all assignments in all of the modules are now posted except for the lectures and the lecture quizzes. That is all of the assignments through the remainder of the course through week 6. So you can take a look at the assignments that are coming up. Also, the study guide for the final exam is now posted, so be sure to take a look at that and use it to help guide your reading and your studying. Week 6 is a shorter week than the other weeks in this course because our last day of class is on a Thursday, July 25th. So the final exam will start earlier in the week than the midterm exam did. The final exam opens on Tuesday, July 23rd at 12 noon, and it stays open until Thursday, July 25th at 11:59 p.m. There are absolutely no makeups since that is the last day of class. The midterm exam went very well in this class. The average score was extremely high at 85%. So I want to congratulate you all on doing a great job on the midterm exam. Whatever you did to study for that exam, do it again to study for the final and you will do great. All right, that's it for this video. Your lecture quiz will start on the next one.